In a school where 36 study foreign languages, 26 study French, 18 study German, 11 study French and German, 10 study French and Latin, 6 study German and Latin, and 4 study French, German and Latin. Using Venn diagrams, find the number who study French and German, but not Latin, the number who study Latin, the number who study at least 2 languages. So I've summarized the question here. So we need to draw a Venn diagram, don't we? There's 36 students in this foreign language school, and they're all studying foreign languages. So there aren't any students not studying a language. So here's our Venn diagram with our universal set, and there's 36 students in that universal set. Here's the French, here's the German, here's the Latin. Circles, they overlap because students can study either one or more of these languages. Now let's fill in the information then. Okay, 26 study French, so the French circle adds up to 26. 18 study German. 11 study French and German. So French and German is this overlap here. We don't worry about Latin, it's not even mentioned. So 11 study French and German, this is the overlap. Now we don't know of that 11 how many do study Latin and how many don't. So what we need to do is that 11 we need to put on the line, and because we don't know the breakdown there. By the same token, 10 study French and Latin, so the French and Latin circles overlap here, and there's 10 in this area. We don't know whether they study German or not, so again we write it on the line, because we don't know how many are in here and how many are in there. Now the next one, 6 study German and Latin, again by the same token. Here's the German and Latin overlap, and there's 6 in that overlap, so that's why I'm writing it on the line. Now 4 study French, German and Latin, so that goes in the very center, so I'm going to put 4 in there. Now I know 4 are in here and there's 10 in this whole segment, for example. 6 must be on this side, mustn't it? There's 6 in this whole segment, there's 4 on this side, so there must be 2 here. This whole segment adds up to 11, there's 4 on this side, so there must be 7 in here. So now if we look at the whole circles then, because we've got all the information from the question, we should be able to fill in all the constituent parts in the jigsaw, or the Venn diagram. So here this circle adds up to 26. At the moment we've got 10 and 7 is 17. We need 9 more to get to the 26. We've got 11, 13, we've got 18, we need 5 more to get to the 18 for the German, number of students studying German. And then here, we know there's no students out here, so the 9, 7 and 5 and the 6, 4 and 2 must, and this number here must add up to 36. 12, 16 and 5 is 21, and 12, 10 and 2 is 12, 21 and 12 is 33, we've got 36. So we need 3 more. So now we can fill out the Latin circle while we're at it. 10 and 5. 10 and 5 is 15. So the Latin circle adds up to 15. So let's have a look at the questions now. We've filled in all the information. The number studying French and German, but not Latin. French and German is the overlap here, but it's not Latin, so you must get this tiny segment here, which is 7. The number studying Latin, so that's the whole circle, and we said that was 15. And the number studying at least 2 languages, well, that would be this whole overlap here, this overlap area. And it can include the 4 because it says at least. So this whole section then. So we've got 7, 6 and 4 is 10, 12, 19.